Hello my dear learners, it's another beautiful day for learning. Today I will be teaching you about the foundation skills for good handwriting. So in my years of practice, one of the concerns of both parents and the teachers is the handwriting, particularly the pencil grasp. We always tell the child or the learner that they should do the tripod grip. We are also trying to show them how, yet they find it so hard to follow. And do you know why? It's simply because we wanted them to learn it in a snap of a finger without breaking down the steps for them to follow. So for today's lesson, we will be doing this activity one step at a time. But to begin with the lesson, do you actually know what is the correct pencil grasp? So, an ideal pencil grip is one in which enables the child to move the fingers, not the whole hand, not the wrist or the arm, because the fingers are more efficient at controlling the pencil. An ideal pencil grip will also complete a writing or drawing task without getting tired. And finally, it will complete a writing or drawing task neatly. Since all the factors above relate to function, I prefer the term functional or efficient to describe the pencil grasp rather than focusing on whether it is the correct or what they call ideal pencil grasp. Studies have shown that being able to use the small muscles of the hand and fingers plays a big role in the child's handwriting. So it makes sense that the pencil grip should allow those refined finger movements. An immature or poor pencil grip tends to block the finger movements, which results in the child moving from the wrist or from the arm in order to write. Pencil grips can be classified in different ways, usually according to the number of fingers holding the pencil and the position of the thumb on the shaft of the pencil. Teachers have traditionally considered the correct pencil grasp to be the dynamic tripod grasp, where the thumb, index, and the middle fingers are holding the pencil. So now, we will learn how to hold the pen with the help of a song so it will be easier for you, your child, or your learner to follow. Then we will be making our own pencil grip using the resources around you, and in the end, we will combine them both. So are you ready? Let's get started. So we will start working on our pencil grip and we will be doing the dynamic tripod grasp. I will be teaching you how to hold your pencil with the help of a song. First, we will learn the lyrics of the song with the action, then later we will do it with the music. So are you ready? Let's get started. So in order for you to follow this activity, of course you need to have your pencil with you. And the instruction is, make sure that the edge or the point of the pencil is always pointing towards you. So if I am sitting this way, the pencil is pointing towards me. Okay? So the lyrics of the song will be, my thumb is bent, pointing fingers to the tip. Then pull it up. Middle finger uses its side. Can you see that? It's touching the side of your middle finger. Then I'll tuck my last two fingers in and take it for a ride. Okay? Let's try it one more time. My thumb is bent, pointing fingers to the tip. Middle finger uses its side. I'll tuck my last two fingers in and take it for a ride. Well done. Let's try it one more time. My thumb is bent, pointing fingers to the tip. Middle finger uses its side. I'll tuck my last two fingers in and take it for a ride. Brilliant. So are you ready? We will be singing the song this time with the music. Okay? Good. So this time we will be playing the song with the music while we are doing the action. Are you ready? Let's get started. My thumb is bent, pointing fingers to the tip. Middle finger uses its side. I'll tuck my last two fingers in and take it for a ride. Well done. Let's try it one more time. My thumb is bent, pointing fingers to the tip. Middle finger uses its side. I'll tuck my last two fingers in and take it for a ride. That's amazing. Now let's try it one more time. My thumb is bent, pointing fingers to the tip. Middle finger uses its side. I'll tuck my last two fingers in and take it for a ride. You're a star. Now, this time, we're gonna play the music. I'm gonna sing some parts of the song, and you will fill in those missing words. Okay? Are you ready? Let's get started. My is pointing to the, well done, middle uses, good job. I, my, to, and, for, good job. Now last one. What I need you to do is you will sing the whole song for me while you are doing the action of picking up your tripod grasp of your pencil. Okay? Let's see. Ready, steady, and go. Well done! You're amazing. Good job, guys. Okay, so this time we will make your own pencil grip, okay? So, all you need are these ponytails, loom bands or rubber bands, and also this ponytails that your baby girl are using at home, okay? So, this is just so easy to do. All you have to do is, first, using the loom bands or the small rubber bands. Make sure, by the way, that it's a small rubber band because this is the one that will keep your pencil on place later on, okay? So, just with that one, you just have to loop it and swoop and pull. Easy? That's it. It's done. Now, on the lower part, you will have to attach something that has the hard part because this is the one that your ring finger and your little finger will be holding in the end. So just the same as how you put the loom band, you just have to loop and swoop and pull. There you have it. It's all set. See that? Yeah? So then, just ask your student to wear it. Keep the pencil, like how we did it in the song. Hold it up there. Stuck it up on the rubber. And there you go. Your student is ready for writing. So, okay now, so maybe one of your question is, what if you don't have this kind of ponytail, this kind of loom bands, and such kind of ponytails for baby girls? Okay, so I have prepared some other things for you. The preparation is just the same, but this one, as you can see, this one is just made of rubber or rubber band. Yeah, and then instead of having this one, it's still looped with the rubber band, but I just use a big button. Like, you might probably find this at home, yeah? And again, So you'll just have to attach a small rubber band like this. So just that one, or the thing that they called Sanrio, the black one. Those are tiny ones also. Yeah. Also, you can find or you can use this kinds of ponytails, like see this ones. Yeah. It's not the same as this one, but this one could stretch more than this could stretch. Yeah. So you could also use that one. And like as I have told you earlier, if you don't have this one and if you don't have buttons, maybe you can find some bolts at home. See? You can also use that. It also works the same way. Look at this. I'll attach that one. I'll take my pencil, grab the loom band, and hold the bolts. See? It works the same way. So go ahead and make this one with your kids. Okay? So this time we will put together the two things that you have done for today. The tripod grasp and your pencil grip. Okay? So here's how you're gonna use this one. So for your pencil grip, before you start your handwriting lesson, you should ask your student to wear the pencil grip. Okay? Make sure it's all fixed. And then from there, you will ask your student to sing a song. Okay? So for today, let's play this song and you'll sing it with me. So, my thumb is bent, pointer fingers to the tip, middle finger uses its side. I tuck my last two fingers in and take it for a ride. Well done. So for the actual lessons, we will ask the child to do it 5 times, to drop and pick while singing the song, until the child will learn how to do this one. Then, once it's been positioned, so you have to keep this part for your ring finger and your little finger. Make sure that it's holding that up. And then, the rubber band, it is used to keep the pencil in place. There you have it. You will be ready now to do your handwriting. Enjoy! So this is where our lessons will end for today. Just a quote to live by: a bad handwriting is as annoying to a reader as an irritating voice is to a listener. And this is by Mokokoma Mokonowana. Till our next lesson, goodbye! Till our next